Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to upgrade an Archero 2. Upgrading your equipment in Archero 2 is simple once you've unlocked the feature. To start, you'll need to progress through the first few stages. Usually by stage 3, the equipment section becomes available. Once unlocked, head over to your gear tab where you see the items you've equipped. From there, you can select and upgrade them. One important thing to note: equipment upgrades are universal across the same type. For example, if you upgrade one pair of boots to level 13, all boots you equip afterward will also be level 13. This makes managing gear much easier and consistent, and that's how upgrading works in Arc Hero 2. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.